Well, as a backgrounder, my husband has been assigned to a outside the city. So he has to be outside the city most of the time during the week. So we agreed to go with him. The real problem is, how am I going to improvise my study area? Because, well, I need an area just like this one, this original study area that I have, so that the kids will not bug in and disturb me in my studies. So here it is. I'm giving you a tour of my original study area.